Once you have enrolled for Performability with You, you'll be sent a password direct to your email. For the next step, head to our website, www.perform-ability.com. At the top of our page, you can now find COVID-19 updates with one click. To the right, you should see a blue button, Online Class Login. Click on here to view Performability with You. Here is where you'll need to enter your password that was sent to your email. This is what the main page of Performability with You will look like. Each week, we will update it with new information such as when your next live classes will be happening, what activities will be happening throughout the week. Any of the blue buttons can be clicked. Here is what the colouring in would look like in our Google Drive. These are downloadable for PDF and for PNG files. To the right, you can click YouTube dance videos and be taken directly to YouTube, where you can find all of the videos that are only accessible for you. You can also click on Live Class Archives, which will take you back into the Google Drive and show you any of the classes that have happened previously, including Young Stars, Teens and Adults, and even our dance cardio for parents and carers. This means you can go back and redo these classes as many times as you wish. Finally, to make it a little easier, we've embedded our YouTube videos into this page directly. So you don't have to open the YouTube section, you can watch them directly through here by clicking play. To make the screen bigger, simply click on the little box on the right. To exit, you can press escape or click on the little box again. That's all for now. We hope you enjoy Performability with You.